more than 6:30 or something. See, very interesting. I went for one supermarket. On either side you have the road, but in the center is the walking path. People cycle, skate, everything, and you can walk in the center. So this is Abhinandan, and why is it shaking? I do not know. Why? Oh, I think this is the wrong route I am. I have to be this side, I think. Okay. So very neatly it is. Why is it shaking too much? This side I do, it will shake. See people going in cycling and skating in the center. The other side there is a road. Oh, I came that day here. I came to the Inca market. Oh, this is where it is. Inca Plaza. Oh, I did not come to Inca Plaza. So tomorrow I will come. Inca Plaza. Now I am in the wrong route. This side they come, and this is in Lima, Peru. You can see the Peru flag over there. Why is it shaking today? My mobile. Oh, this is the computer place. I have to come here then. Kampu Palace. Let's see how nicely they have done. Either side is a road. This side is a road. That side is a road for vehicles to travel. This side is a sitting place where people can sit, people walk, people skate, and people go on this kind of, what do you call these, electric bikes. So it's becoming cold. I'll go back to my room. See, you can see it is I have not shaved, and the funny thing is today in my room, my bathroom toilet door is locked. Luckily morning, this is Kampu Palace. Luckily morning I went for the toilet. But anyhow, there are other places in the hotel. So I told them to open it, and I came to one supermarket. I was working till afternoon. Then I thought, let me go around. It was already 2 p.m. I think I left my place at 3 o'clock only. 3 p.m. Now it's already 6:30. So I'll go back. It is going to that Kennedy Park. Okay. I do not know. People are going that side and people are going this side also. Any way you want, you can walk, I think. Okay. So, so let me stop the video right now. Another few minutes. I will be reaching a place over there called Kennedy Park, and then I have to take a right turn to my place. I wish it was a little more daytime, but still you can see the beauty of the place. It's becoming terribly cold. So only I have always planned to come out by 11 a.m. and then go back by 5 or 6. That should be the maximum. After 6 it will be, I don't know, everyone are walking. Oh. Okay. So this is at Miraflores. Why is the camera shaking? It is not very smooth. Okay, this is at Mira Falls. So this is the police station, Mira Falls police station. So since it's becoming terribly cold, I will rush to my place and let me upload this video. This is the first video I'm making for the day today. There is a mall over here, Bella. Okay, let me enter that mall. And I've come near the end of that Kennedy store. Kennedy now. Already in Mira Falls, I know nearly 50% of the place. Now tomorrow I'll come like this, and I will go for there's some statue. That side is Mira Falls, a park. Mira Falls Park. So I know there's Inca Market here, Pla Bella. Let me cross here. I have to go that side right now. I don't know why this is shaking today. Let me enter this Pla Bella from here only. It is some cosmetic shop, I think, but I'll get some warmth. It's terribly cold, and let me see what is there inside. Wow. This is like one. I don't know. My mobile is shaking today. I have to check on the like all the cosmetic shop. Wow. Chanel, Lancome. What is there? Inside at least it is warm. There's the entrance there. Oh, it's quite huge. Very huge. And let me keep walking and see what is there in the top. Nice big skies. Big size screen. Oh, I like this screen. It's so big. Like a home theater. Better than a home theater. Like a theater size is it. Wow. Very nice. This is all. And you know why I came inside? Like in Dubai, I used to go into a mall or a shop from the heat, from the temperature heat to get AC. Here I've entered not to buy, but let me see what is there. There's no entrance this side. Okay. So here I've entered not for not for shopping, but for getting the warm. Okay. Now let me see. This in Bangkok is 150 rupees. Here it is 149 sol. That's approximately $50 each. In Bangkok, it is $1.50. Okay. What a difference. Yeah, let me stop it. Let me go up and come. Let me see what is there in the top. Okay, let me stop for some time and let me go up. Whether there's a supermarket or what, let me see. I'm going to stop now or oh, all clothes only. All clothes. Oh, Mango brand is also there. Let me go one more round up and see what is there. He's actually dancing. I don't know why my mobile is getting shaky right now. It is lagging. Oh, the third floor is also same. Clothes only. All men's clothes. Let me see what is their top. One more floor. Okay. Oh, this is all that home products. After that, there's nothing. I'll see whether there's a supermarket. I went for a traditional supermarket. Oh, these are all laptop. Wow. See this fellow? This is a two screen. Here's your tablet. Here's one. Which one is this? Wow. Two screen laptop. Only Oscars has $3,500. Now let me stop for some time and have a look of all this. Now my chillness went away. I'm going to stop and have a look at all this.